So let's start with goals. My yearly goals, I have a Notion template to track all of them, but we're gonna jump to monthly goals. The first category that I have is personal. I've been reading this book, The Wedding People. That's the book that I've been reading. So my goal is to finish the book that I'm reading. Finish The Wedding People. And I'm excited because I think I'm almost at 70% or so. So it's almost done. Another personal goal, I started the book, but actually the audiobook, Start With Yourself. So for the next goal, I've been wanting to get back to strength training, but that's something that I don't fully enjoy. I know it's good for my body, but I used to. It was really, really easy for me to complete a workout session, but lately it hasn't been that. So it's really slowing me down. So the type of movement that I really enjoy in that one, I don't think about it. If it's planned, I do it gladly. It's Pilates. So I'm going to start a new challenge, new 2-week challenge. Another thing that I've been wanting to do, part of my bigger goals, is run a 10K again. It's been a while, but I'm slowly getting back to it. And so my goal is to run 3 times a week with Follow the Runner program to run another 5K first, and at least twice a week long walks. So this means between, I would say, 45 minutes, at least two long walks, 45 minutes. The thing is, right now with the weather, it's really, really hard to, like, whether you do it very early in the morning or you do it in the after the sunset. Like, sometimes it's super dry and sometimes it's really humid. So it makes it very difficult to enjoy an outside walk. I don't wake up super early. I'm not going to do it. What else? Oh, another personal goal that I wanted to do. I really want to start waking up earlier. I don't want to wake up every day at 5 a.m., but I would say maybe once a week. I think Mondays I can wake up at 5:30 a.m. Mondays wake up at 5:30, and then wake up at 7 on weekdays. These are more like personal. We're going to move them here. Perfect.